Primary School Education. So children, today we are going to learn the names of vehicles. So let's start the video. Bicycle, bicycle. Cycle, cycle. Unicycle, unicycle. Scooter, scooter. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Bike, bike. Car, car. Auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Tractor, tractor. Ambulance, ambulance. Police car, police car. Truck, truck. Cement mixer truck, cement mixer truck. Fire truck, fire truck. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Dumper truck, dumper truck. Crane, crane. Road roller, road roller. Van, van. Bus, bus. School bus, school bus. Jeep, jeep. Train, train. Metro train, metro train. Boat, boat. Sheep, sheep. Helicopter, helicopter. Aeroplane, aeroplane. Rocket, rocket. Thank you for watching TKD Primary School Education. Please like, share and subscribe.